This is the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Rumblin' Tumblin' Kids Steering Wheel. It's a toy for kids. You want to buy this for a child if they like cars, if they like toy cars, toy vans, toy SUVs, if they enjoy driving steering wheel type toys, they might love this. Now, if you're a kid watching this, you can't buy it. The video is not for you. The video is for adults who are buying things for kids, just so you know. So let's turn this on like this.
It's music time. It's learning. Let's learn Spanish. Let's play.
Kind of annoying, kind of loud. These do nothing. A little Tokyo drifting. And that noise is just from it being kind of squeaky. It isn't a noise the toy makes.
It's music time. Oh, I say hola, I say hello, waving as I'm driving through. Hola, and I say adios, that means bye-bye. Two friends I see like you, adios. Oh, I say hola, I say hello, waving as I'm driving through. Hola.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe.